afternoon. So just giving you a current update for this concrete footpath construction, upper part of this footpath. So today I've done a formworks on this side here. So this is same level. This is the same level as in here, but from here all the way through, so this is climbing, so it's going up, as you can see on this line here. So the purpose of that is to cover this wall to prevent water coming on this concrete footpath. So I also put a small base course on this side, and on the other side is all concrete. So the purpose of that is just because this water channel here, or drainage or storm drainage channel, will be covered with concrete. So that's why I just put a part of base course on this side, and I removed the shutter on this blackout, as you can see. So if everything's completed, I mean everything completed, then I'm gonna remove this formworks, and this will be exposed similar to this one. And since this post concrete is still soft, so I just let the formwork is still intact. So I'm not removing this formworks until Saturday, or until tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm not working because we're celebrating my grandson's birthday. So yeah, and also I did a formworks for this wall, retaining wall, and it is ready to pour on Sunday. Yeah, as you can see, so it's like a 70 to 80 mil thick of concrete, as you can see there. Yeah, and this one here, I just leave it open, so when we pour the concrete, when we pour the concrete on this side here, it should flow on this side as well. So just let it open for now, just to ensure the concrete flows here. And by the way, I'll make this concrete here in this retaining wall a bit flowable, so it flows on the other side. Alright, but this is ready to put once the concrete already in this level. Yeah. So this is what I've done today. Although it's raining, still I was able to complete what I need to do for today. So this here is ready to pour on Sunday as well. So basically the retaining wall and this one is scheduled to pour on Sunday, and hopefully it won't rain. Yeah. And then after that, so once this boxing or shelter removed, I start like put a formworks on this side. Yeah. All right. I think that's all for now, and hopefully you like my short presentation, as I always say, and hopefully I can finish this before end of this month. Uh, yeah, because there's a lot of details that I need to cover, not just like putting concrete. So I need to plan everything before pouring concrete, or before make some formworks. So I was not able to do the blackout on this side here because I ran out of time. So hopefully I'll do it on Monday after pouring on Sunday, or maybe I can do it Sunday if there's still enough time to do it. Alright, my friends, by the way, today is Sunday. It's 18th of September 2020, and the time now is 5:55 p.m. Yeah, so the weather is patchy clouds, and it's overcast actually, but as I said, I was able to finish what I need to do for today. Okay, my friend, thank you so much for watching this YouTube, and hopefully everyone's okay, it's COVID free, and please be safe. God bless, and bye for now, and see you on Sunday.